Second question is to find the roots of this quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Here also we will do the same thing. We have to find two numbers so that their sum is the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is minus 3. And product is, we have to get the product of x coefficient of x square and the constant term. Here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is minus 10. 1 into minus 10 gives you minus 10. So we have to find two numbers so that sum is minus 3 and product is minus 10. So what we will do is, we will find the numbers with the product at 10. 1 and 10 gives you the product as 10. 2 and 5 gives you the product as 10. 1 and 10 if added or subtracted will never give the value 3. If added we will get 11. If subtracted we will get a 9. So we can avoid this pair. I can take the next pair 2 and 3. If adjusted we can get minus 3. So what we have to do is, here 2 is a smaller number compared to 5 and we have to get the sum as negative. If you want to get the sum as negative number for addition, the number with the bigger value must be having the negative sign. So try it out. 2 and I am putting negative for 5. So I am going to take the number as 2 and minus 5. If I add 2 and minus 5, this condition is satisfied. We will get the sum as minus 3. And what about the product? 2 into minus 5 will give you minus 10. So these two conditions are satisfied and we are to take the numbers as 2 and minus 5. So we got the numbers as 2 and minus 5. The next step is, using these numbers, split the middle term. So x square, the numbers which we got is 2 and minus 5. So x square plus 2x we got as 2. So plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, we got the numbers as 2 and minus 5, and using these two numbers we are splitting the middle term minus 3x as plus 2x minus 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Again what we will do, from the first two term, take the common term outside. What is common? X. So if I take x outside, the balance is x plus, and from this term the balance is 2. Again I told, if I want to get a bracket with the same term, that means this x must repeat here. This term must be positive. Here if I take a common term as 5, that will be negative x. The balance term will be negative x. So what should I take as common? I should take negative 5 as common. To make this term positive, I should take negative 5 from these two terms. So if I take minus 5 from this term, minus 5x, the balance is x. And the last term is minus 10, and from minus 10 I took minus 5 outside. So negative came outside. So the balance sign is plus. And from 10, 5 came outside. So the balance is 2. 5 into 2 gives you 10 is equal to 0. Again here also you can see that these two brackets are same. That must be same always. So again this is one term, this is the second term. What is common? X plus 2 is common. So if I take x plus 2 outside from the 2 term, the balance first term is x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we got the product of two numbers as 0. So what will it imply? Either x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0. What does it imply? X equal to minus 2, or x minus 5 equal to 0 implies x equal to 5. Therefore, what about the answer? Roots are minus 2, 5.